Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me don't feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up my clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a simple video. I'm just going to show you guys how I make my steamed vegetable. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So as you can see, I have the cabbage soaking in some salt water. You can see the salt settled at the bottom right there. So why for that? At the bottom of the bowl you can see the salt settled. But the purpose for that is just to help to remove any insects that might be on the cabbage, because I mean it's vegetable, it's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna soak it for maybe another 10 minutes and then alright, y'all. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up the vegetables. So I'm gonna start with the cabbage. And since we're going to steam it, we don't have to cut it really small. Just gonna transfer these in a bowl. Alright, so next we have the carrots. So I'm just going to go ahead, cut it like so. Then I'm going to come across at an angle. So they will look like that. So next I'm just going to dice some onion. And lastly, I'm just going to add some garlic. So, one thing my mom always told me is that people eat with their eyes, right? Meaning, when they look at the food, that's what they're going to use to judge if they like it or not before even trying it. And looking at my vegetable right now is just not colorful enough for me. It doesn't seem appealing to the eyes, so I'm going to add some bell pepper to add some color. Okay, so to the pot I added some butter. I'm going to go ahead and add the cabbage and the rest of the vegetables. I'm I'm going to add some Maggi chicken seasoning. Whoa. Okay. So I'm just going to turn the stove down and cover it and allow the vegetables to steam. If you noticed, I didn't add any water at all to my steamed vegetables. That is because I had it on low heat the whole time. So I had it on 3 the whole time. If you make your vegetables on high heat, it's going to dry out faster, and then you're going to have to add water in order to steam it. However, if you use low heat, then it's going to slow cook, and the steam is going to cook the vegetables. Hence why I call it steamed vegetable. So there you have it. And look how colorful that is.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.